Happy Monday, first graders. We did an amazing job last week at writing our very first persuasive letter. When we have a persuasive letter, or when we are working with persuasive writing, to persuade just means to convince. So we were trying to convince our mom or dad or sister, brother, whoever, to get us an animal that we really wanted. We did that persuasive writing in a letter. We are going to be working on this week more persuasive writing, but as a letter. So instead of just writing in your journal about why you really want something or if something is better than something else, we're going to be writing a letter to somebody. We learned last week on Friday those different aspects, those different parts of a letter that we need. At the top of our letter, we always have our date. We always have our date. Next, we have our greeting, and that is where we say, Dear Mom, Dear Dad, Dear Miss Lyles, Dear Miss McCord, Dear Miss Gassman. Our greeting is who we are writing our letter to. The next part is what we've already been working on in our opinion writing. We have our opinion, and then we say our 3 reasons. At the end, we have our conclusion, which we know that starts with that is why, and we repeat our opinion. The other new part of the letter that we wrote on is the closing, and that is where we say, from Miss Gassman, love Miss Gassman, your teacher, Miss Gassman, your friend, Miss Gassman. Just like in the word closing, it's how we close our letter. So your homework today is that we are going to be writing a letter, and you are going to be writing a letter to your teacher. You are going to write a letter to your teacher, persuading her on why you should not have homework today. I am going to show you a piece of paper. You are also going to see it at the end of the video, but you're going to get your journal and you are going to set it up like a letter. You have your date at the top. You have your greeting. So if you are in Franklin College, you'll say, Dear Miss Gassman. You're going to write to your teacher. You're going to have your opinion. So for this assignment, we are all going to have the same opinion of, I think we should not have homework tonight. Here's why. Your 3 opinions, and then your closing. So you could close it by saying, your friend, Madison. Your scholar, Lila. You can close your letter the way that you want, but this is a persuasive letter. So you want to make sure that you are coming up with those really, really good reasons of why you should not have homework, because you want to convince us not to have homework. Again, scholars, your homework tonight is to write a persuasive letter on why we should not have homework. You need your date, your greeting, the topic, which is our opinion, your 3 reasons, and your closing. Your conclusion, and then your closing as well. Again, you will see an example of what this should look like after the video. Good luck.